Here N-propyl acetate. Common name is what? N-propyl acetate. N-propyl ethanoate. IUPAC name N-propyl acetate is common name. Next one I can write here CH3 COO CH here CH3 here CH3. This is branch only. So what is the branch? This is a isopropyl branch. Isopropyl branch. Okay na? What is the longest chain? This is the longest chain. How many carbons are there? 2 carbon, 1 and 2. Again name it plus N. OO bond name is there. OO bond name O8. Ethanoate. Branch here isopropyl branch. So that's why name isopropyl ethanoate. Common name here isopropyl acetate. Isopropyl acetate. Okay, isopropyl ethanoate, isopropyl acetate. Now here CH3, CH3, CH, COO, CH2, CH3 is there. Then how we'll write? So this is the longest chain. 4 carbon chain is the longest chain. The numbering here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. Here this is branch here. This is ethyl branch without numbering. But here methylate 3rd carbon. That's why name 4 carbon but plus N O8 butanoate. Here ethyl branch. I am not writing any numbering. That is the meaning of branch present on oxygen. Now here this is methyl branch. Methyl branch at 3rd carbon. That's why name 3-methyl. Total name ethyl 3-methyl butanoate. Ethyl 3-methyl butanoate. Ethyl 3-methyl butanoate. Okay na? Now CH3 CH double bond CH here COO here CH3 is given. Then tell me this side only longest chain. Now this is a methyl branch. Methyl branch. Numbering you can give 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. Total carbon numbers are 4. That's why but here double bond is there at 2nd carbon. Now 2 in. Double bond at 2nd, 2 in. The next ester group O8. O8. Now methyl branch. No need to write numbering. That's why name methyl but 2 in O8. But 2 in 1 O8 or O8. Like this you can write. For example, here COCH3 given. Then how will write? What is the longest chain, Nana? Here this is only longest chain. Carefully observe. In above example, OO is out of the longest chain. Here this carbon included longest chain, but here this carbon is not included longest chain, Nana. Carefully observe. The CO carbon is included in but over, but this carbon is not included in cycloring. That's why you are right. You have to write separate name there. What's the name? 4 carbon ring, that is a cyclo but plus En cyclobutane. Now you have to write a COO name. This total name carboxylate. 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 Here methyl acting as branch. Then name methyl cyclobutane carboxylate. Methyl cyclobutane carboxylate. Okay, now next name like this here COCH2 CH3. Then here is the ethyl group. So here is the OH group. Now here is the double bond. Then tell me name. So this is only long edge chain. This is a ring is a long edge chain. This is a COO out of the ring. Then this is called as what? Carboxylate. This is ethyl branch. Ethyl. So now here this is a prefix. Here OH also prefix. Reason ester is more important than OH. Ester is more important than OH. Then tell me name. Total cyclic 5 carbon. Numbering year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. That is a cyclobutadiene. 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 Then your ester name carboxylate. Carbox, second suffix name. Now your prefix ethyl branch at fourth carbon, hydroxy 3. That's why what is the name? 4 ethyl 3 hydroxy. Here also ethyl group. Ethyl cyclobutadiene 1 carboxylate. 4 ethyl 3 hydroxy ethyl cyclobutadiene 1 carboxylate. Okay na? Okay. Everyone writing clearly? Writing or not? Okay na? So like that you can write carboxylate. So like this is given. Which one is more important, Nana? Here ester is there, COH. Whenever COH is more important than COCH3. More important COCH3. Okay. Now what is the long edge chain here? This is the long edge chain, ring only long edge chain. Ring only long edge chain. Now the name, total numbering you have to start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tell me, Nana. Cyclohexane 1-ene. Cyclohexane 1-ene. This is carboxylic acid, not oic acid. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Why? Because this is out of the ring, COH group, out of the ring. This carbon is not included in long edge chain. That's why carboxylic acid, remember. Now remaining, this is branch here. Substitutions are there. Now this is bromo. What is the name of this one? Prefix. I told you, this is alkoxy group, carbonyl. That is a methoxycarbonyl. Substitution name, prefix name, methoxycarbonyl. Here methoxycarbonyl. Bromo, that is what is our answer? 5-bromo, 4 methoxycarbonyl. 4 methoxycarbonyl. 5-bromo, 4 methoxycarbonyl, 4 methoxycarbonyl, cyclohexagonine carboxylic acid. This is the total IUPAC name. Total IUPAC name. Okay na? Total IUPAC name nana. Like this ester name also we can write. Next one, anhydride, CO name. Here this is a OO group is a anhydride. Example here, CH3, COO, CO nana, CH3. Then I will write answer. Any side, here these both are same. Both are same. Any one you take. Here 1, here 2. That's why 2 carbons are there, ith plus N. Here no need to write 2. Anhydride means both side branch. That is only ith N. Ith plus N. No need to write both nana. One is enough. Ith plus N. Now this is O, anhydride. That's why OIC anhydride. Total name ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride. Common name acetic anhydride. Acetic acid anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Next CH3, CH2, CO, O, here CO, CH2, now CH3 nana. Then answer, any side you can write here 3 carbon, here also 3 carbon, both are same. Numbering here 1, here 2, here 3. CH3, CH2, CO, O, CO, CO, like that. Both are same. One you take prop plus N, then OIC anhydride. That's all name, propanoic anhydride. Common name also, that is only propanoic. Both are same. Propanoic anhydride. Some here, for example, CH3, CH3, CO, O, CO, CH2, CH3. Like this is there. Then you have to write both. Like this here, this is one. Here what? 2 carbon here, 3 carbon. Both you have to write separately. That's why name here 2 carbons are there. Ethanoic. Here eth plus N. This is prop plus N. Propanoic. Here OIC anhydride. Before example, I am writing propanoic anhydride, but here 2 are separate. That's why ethane, propane, OIC anhydride. Ethane, propane, OIC anhydride. Ethane, propane, OIC anhydride nana. Both important, 2 are different, both you write, then we'll get answer. Okay na? So like this here you can write anhydride. Anhydride. Now amide name. Here CO, This is there. This one is a amide. The carbon long chain. CH3CO NH2. HCO NH2. Okay, na? Here only one carbon. One. That's why name meth plus AN plus ONH2 name amide. Methanamide. Common name acid derivative. Single carbon acid is a formic acid. That's why name formamide. Common name is formamide. IUPAC name methanamide. Okay, na? Example here CH3CO here NH2. What is the longest chain here? 2 carbon is there. This is the longest chain. Here 1, 2. That's why name eth plus En plus amide. Ethanamide. Common name acetamide. 2 carbon acid, no? 2 carbon acid name acetic acid, you know, acetamide. Ethanamide, acetamide. Acetamide. Now example here CH3 CH2 CONH2 nana. Then what is the name? Here longest chain, you know, here 1, here 2, here 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are there. Propanamide. 3 carbons are there. Prop plus N plus amide. Propanamide. Common name IUPAC, both are same. Propanamide. Next example CH3 CH2 CO here NH2. CH3 CH2 CO NH2. Okay, it's the longest chain here. Then you write here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. 4 carbons are there. Like this. 4 carbon means, you know, but plus single bond An. Here CO name, NH2 name amide. Butanamide. Okay, na? Now CH CO NH2. Chepandi, what is the name? Tell me. This is a longest chain, 3 carbon, here 1, here 2, here 3 na. Total 3 carbons are there. Prop plus ene, 2 ene plus amide, propane, prop plus 2 ene amide, propenamide, 2 propenamide. Now like this here, CO group, here NH2, a double bond, here OH group, here Br group. Then tell me here OCH3 group. So tell me answer. Here 1, here 2, 3, here 4, 5, here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, na? Tell me 6 carbons are there. Hexa plus a double bonded second carbon, 2 ene. Then CO, here ONH2 name amide. If you want, you can write 1, otherwise no need. Hexa 2 ene amide. What is the prefix here? OH is the prefix, methoxy prefix, bromo. That's why what is our answer now here? Now here 5 bromo, okay na? 4 hydroxy, 3 methoxy, 5 bromo, 4 hydroxy, 3 methoxy, hexa 2 amide, hexa 2 amide. Okay na? So very clear, amide. Polyfunctions, more than one function also there, we can write. We are writing very clearly. Okay. Now answer like this. Cyclopentane ring CONH2 is there. Then I will write here this ring only long chain. COO is out of the ring. That's why this is called as carboxamide. Carboxamide. Remember, carbon is excluded from the long chain. Carboxamide. Then name you can write cyclopentane carboxamide. Cyclopentane carboxamide. Next answer. For example, CO. Here NH2 is there. Then here double bond is there. Next here OH group. Next here formyl group. Here more important, amide is more than formyl. Formyl is more than hydroxy. That's why this is a second suffix. These two are acting as prefix only. Now importance given to CONH2 Nana. Then what is our answer? Here 1, here 2. Why? Because double bond is primary suffix now. Double bond is primary suffix. Okay. What is our answer now? Total 6 carbons are there. Ring cyclohexa double bonded to 2-ene. Then CONH2 name is what? Carboxamide. Carbon excluded long chain. That's why name carboxamide. Otherwise name amide only. Here carboxamide. Then here formyl, here hydroxy. Here 5-formyl, 6-hydroxy. 5-formyl, 6-hydroxy, cyclohexa 2-ene carboxamide. Carboxamide. Okay na? Next answer. Like this amide name we can write next cyanides. Here triple bond N name is a nitrile, not carbon. Triple bond N name is a nitrile. This is included long chain. For example, C triple bond N. HC triple bond N. Here how many carbons are there? Only one carbon long chain, 1. That's why meth plus N. Triple bond N name is a nitrile. That's why name nitrile. Methane nitrile. IUPAC name is methyl nitrile. Common name is hydrogen cyanide. Common name is hydrogen cyanide. IUPAC name is methane nitrile. Nana. Methane nitrile. Next example here, CH3 C triple bond N. CH3 C triple bond N, Nana. What is the longest chain? This is the longest chain here, 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 carbons are there, eth plus ene, eth plus en, ethane, nitrile. Triple bond is there, nitrile. That's why name nitrile. Ethane nitrile. Common name acetonitrile. Acetonitrile. Why? Because acetic acid derivative, 2 carbon acid only. Based on acid name only we write this one, acetonitrile. Acetonitrile. Now your CH3, CH2, C triple bond N. C triple bond N. Tell me answer. Here number of carbons here 1, here 2, here 3. 1, 2, 3. Longer chain 3 carbons are there. Prop plus N. Triple bond is there. Nitrile. Propane nitrile. Propane nitrile. Propane nitrile. CH3 CH double bond CH C triple bond N. So here what is the longest chain? Here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. 4 carbon longest chain. 4 carbon longest chain. Okay na? 4 carbon longest chain. Total 4 carbons are there. But carbon carbon double bonded second carbon. That's why 2 in. This is what? Nitrile. 1 nitrile. But 2 in 1 nitrile, or but 2 in nitrile. 2 in nitrile. Like this here, double bond. Here chloro group. Here OCH3, here OH. Then what is the name? What is the name? Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, Nana. Name 5. Okay. 5 carbons are there. Penta. Penta. Here carbon carbon double bonded second. That's why 2 in. Now this is a nitrile, 1 nitrile. Reason this is involved in longest chain, Nana. Carbon involved in longest chain in pent over. That's why N name nitrile. Now prefix chlorohydroxy methoxy. That's why here 2 chloro, 4 hydroxy, 3 methoxy. 2 chloro, 4 hydroxy, 3 methoxy, pent 2 in 1 nitrile. 1 nitrile. Okay na? 1 nitrile. Next cyclo compound will take C triple bond N. Here what is the longest chain, Nana? This is only longest chain. 5 carbon longest chain, cyclic. Now what about this one here? Carbon is out of the longest chain. That's why you have to write here carbonitrile. Carbonitrile you have to write. Not nitrile, carbonitrile. This is cyclopentane name. That's why cyclopentane. cyclopentane carbonitrile, cyclopentane carbonitrile, cyclopentane carbonitrile. Here like this is given OH, OCH3. Here CN is very important. This is only long, here more important. Now numbering year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, year 6. Okay, Nana. Then what is the name? Cyclohexane. Plus a CN, the name carbonitrile. Name carbonitrile, cyclohexane carbon. Prefix here hydroxy, methoxy. That's why 3-hydroxy, 4-methoxy. 3-hydroxy, 4-methoxy, cyclohexane, carbonitrile. Out of the ring you have to write carbonitrile. Within the language chain simply write nitrile. Okay, cyanides are given, you can write like that. Now here CN group, here OH group, COOH. Then what is the name? Here what is the name? This is only language chain. Language chain. Here this is second suffix. Second suffix. Now OH and CN, these two are prefix. Prefix. Okay, na? Then tell me name. So here cyclohexane carbon. Here COH is there. Here carbon included language chain will say oic acid, but carbon is excluded. That's why what is the name? Carboxylic acid. Now CN is prefix and hydroxy. That's why numbering here like this. So what? 2-hydroxy? No. 4-cyano. 2-hydroxy. 4-cyano, 2-hydroxy, cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carb. Reason, second suffix here. Here COOH gets more important than CN than OH. CN than OH. Like this, you can write cyanide's name. Cyanide. CH3CO. What is the name? This is ith plus N plus amide. Now example. CH3 CO, here NH, here CH3. Now the branch on nitrogen. The branch on nitrogen. That's why what is the name here? This branch name N-methyl. Why we are saying N-methyl? Methyl present on nitrogen. Methyl present on nitrogen. That's why name N-methyl. Okay. Now remaining, you know, this is amide group. Eth plus N plus amide. Ethanamide. Here methyl branch. That's why name N-methyl.